Hello students and welcome to the ACCT 202 class, Accounting 2. My name is Tommy Alfiel and I will be your instructor this term. Just want to give you a brief overview as far as what we're going to cover this term. It's going to be a great term. It's basically a continuation of ACCT 201. We're going to basically go into the balance sheet in quite a bit of detail. What we'll do in Unit 1 is we'll talk about assets, cash, accounts receivable, inventory, even long-term assets, fixed assets, if you will. Then we'll move into Unit 2. We'll talk about current liabilities, which are debts that a company owes to someone else. We'll talk about current liabilities such as accounts payable, wages payable, interest payable. Those are just a few examples of current liabilities. Then in Unit 3, what we'll do is we'll move into long-term liabilities, which are liabilities that take longer than a year to pay, which are mortgages, bonds payable, notes payable. Those are just a few examples of those types of long-term liabilities that we'll discuss in Unit 3. Then in Unit 4, we'll talk about the last section of the balance sheet, which is the equity section. Basically, like you learned in ACCT 201, equity is the difference between your assets and your liabilities. So we'll talk about common stock, preferred stock, paid-in capital, things of that nature. That'll be in Unit 4. Then in our last unit of the term, we'll wrap up and talk about the statement of cash flows. That's the fourth financial statement that a company would prepare. And we'll talk about all the sections that encompasses that financial statement. So I'm looking forward to the term. I hope you all are too. Hope you enjoyed your break between terms and are ready to start a new class. Talk to you soon. Thanks.